Lesson Governance Metrics and Key Performance Indicators, KPIs. Governance metrics and key performance indicators play a pivotal role in the successful auditing and reporting of blockchain systems. As blockchain technology continues to integrate into various sectors, establishing robust governance metrics and KPIs becomes essential for ensuring transparency, accountability, and efficiency. These tools enable organizations to measure and evaluate the effectiveness of their governance frameworks, providing insights into areas of improvement and ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements. Governance metrics in blockchain systems are quantifiable measures that assess the performance, efficiency, and compliance of governance structures. These metrics provide stakeholders with a clear understanding of how well a blockchain system is being managed and governed. One of the primary challenges in blockchain governance is the decentralized nature of the technology, which often lacks a centralized authority to enforce rules and regulations. This decentralization requires a unique approach to governance metrics, focusing on aspects such as consensus mechanisms, participation rates, and decision-making processes. Consensus mechanisms are a critical component of blockchain governance. They ensure that all participants in the network agree on the validity of transactions. Metrics such as the time taken to reach consensus, the number of nodes participating in the consensus process, and the rate of successful consensus achievement are vital indicators of a blockchain's governance health. For instance, a study by Kashin and Vukolich highlighted the importance of consensus efficiency as a governance metric, demonstrating that faster consensus times correlate with increased transaction throughput and system reliability. Participation rates in governance activities, such as voting on protocol upgrades or changes, are another crucial metric. High participation rates indicate a healthy level of stakeholder engagement and trust in the governance process. Conversely, low participation rates may signal a need for improved communication and stakeholder involvement strategies. Practical tools such as automated voting systems and smart contracts can facilitate higher participation by simplifying the voting process and ensuring transparency. Decision-making processes within blockchain systems can also be evaluated using governance metrics. These metrics assess the speed and effectiveness of decision-making, the inclusivity of the process, and the implementation of decisions. For example, the Ethereum network's decision to implement the Ethereum Improvement Proposal Framework provides a structured approach for proposing and implementing changes. The effectiveness of this framework can be measured by the number of proposals submitted, the time taken for proposals to be accepted, and the successful implementation rate of accepted proposals. Key performance indicators are specific, measurable values that demonstrate how effectively an organization is achieving its key business objectives. In the context of blockchain governance, KPIs provide actionable insights into the performance of governance structures and processes. One of the most critical KPIs is compliance with regulatory requirements. Given the increasing regulatory scrutiny of blockchain systems, ensuring compliance is paramount. Tools such as compliance dashboards and automated reporting systems can help organizations track and report compliance metrics in real time, reducing the risk of non-compliance and associated penalties. Another vital KPI is the security of the blockchain system. Security metrics, such as the number of security incidents, the time taken to resolve incidents, and the effectiveness of security measures, provide insights into the robustness of a blockchain's governance framework. Real-world examples, such as the DAO hack in 2016, underscore the importance of robust security measures and the need for continuous monitoring and improvement of security protocols. Implementing tools such as intrusion detection systems and regular security audits can help organizations enhance their security posture and mitigate risks. Scalability is another crucial KPI for blockchain governance. As blockchain systems grow and evolve, they must be able to handle increasing volumes of transactions and participants without compromising performance. Metrics such as transaction throughput, latency, and network capacity provide insights into a system's scalability. For example, the Lightning Network, a second-layer protocol on the Bitcoin blockchain, addresses scalability challenges by enabling off-chain transactions that are faster and cheaper than on-chain transactions. Monitoring these metrics can help organizations identify bottlenecks and implement solutions to enhance scalability. The effectiveness of governance frameworks can also be evaluated using KPIs related to stakeholder satisfaction and engagement. Surveys, feedback mechanisms, and sentiment analysis tools can provide valuable insights into stakeholder perceptions of the governance process. High levels of stakeholder satisfaction and engagement indicate a well-functioning governance framework that meets the needs and expectations of its participants. To implement governance metrics and KPIs effectively, organizations must establish a clear framework that outlines their governance objectives, identifies relevant metrics and KPIs, and defines the processes for measuring and reporting these metrics. This framework should be supported by practical tools and technologies that enable real-time data collection, analysis, and reporting. For example, blockchain analytics platforms can provide comprehensive insights into governance metrics and KPIs, enabling organizations to make data-driven decisions and optimize their governance strategies. Case studies provide valuable insights into the successful implementation of governance metrics and KPIs in blockchain systems. For instance, the Tezos blockchain employs an on-chain governance model that allows stakeholders to vote on protocol upgrades. This model has been praised for its transparency and inclusivity, with metrics such as participation rates and proposal approval rates used to evaluate its effectiveness. The Tezos model demonstrates how a well-designed governance framework, supported by robust metrics and KPIs, can enhance stakeholder trust and drive the successful evolution of a blockchain system. In conclusion, governance metrics and KPIs are essential tools for auditing and reporting in blockchain systems. They provide actionable insights into the performance, efficiency, and compliance of governance frameworks, enabling organizations to optimize their governance strategies and ensure regulatory compliance. By leveraging practical tools and frameworks, such as automated reporting systems, smart contracts, and blockchain analytics platforms, organizations can enhance their proficiency in blockchain governance and address real-world challenges effectively. As blockchain technology continues to evolve, the importance of robust governance metrics and KPIs will only increase, making them a critical component of any blockchain governance and compliance strategy.